ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
Student, already we have discussed about of the applications. Now next, if you any one of the lateral mass having, the lateral is first horizontally surfaces on the having, the lateral we will push up the some height or we lift some height. How much work done is one of the horizontal wall, another one is the vertical. Now one lateral mass is lifted to the some height with some angle theta. This lateral of the total length is L, but the lateral of the center of the gravity here CG. This center of the gravity to at the one end of the length is L by 2. Now what is the work done? Work done means lifting of the force is up, lifting is moving upward, but this lateral of the gravitational force is downside. Mg is downside. The work done by gravitational force, work done by gravitational, work done by gravity, Wg is equal to, now body lifting is moving upward, downward is gravitational, means both are anti-parallel, means the negative of the work done minus mg h. H is the lifting of the body height. Now how much h means sin theta, sin theta equal to opposite by hypothesis h by L by 2. Now h is equal to L by 2 sin theta. Now this h substitution of the work done by gravity, Wg is equal to minus mg L by 2 sin theta. These are the, if you any lateral mass is lifting of the upward, the total of the work done by gravity minus mg L by 2 sin theta. Next another one more. One of the chain is suspected at vertically, now one chain is suspected vertically, the chain mass is, total length of the chain is L. Now here the end of the chain is, mine is connected with the suspended point. Now this end is, mine suspended point is connected, but here the total chain of the center of gravity is Cg here, Cg1, because of the, this is the total chain of the center of gravity. Suppose mine exactly half of the suspended of the initial point position, means here this half of the center of gravity is Cg2, means now down of the half part to my suspended point, means here also, here Cg1, here Cg2, half of the gravitational is here, here also Cg2, but total length of the chain is L, half of the length is L by 2, but the center of the gravity of means L by 4, here also L by 4. Now work done by gravitationally, work done by gravitationally means here half of the chain is mine upside, means half of the chain only the center of gravity is dependent. Mass is m by 2, but length is, this length is L by 4, this length also L by 4. Now total length L by 4 plus L by 4 means L by 2. But the gravitational of the masses is m by 2, half of the part of mass only downward having. Work done. Gravitational is downside. WD. So Wg is equal to minus mgh. Gravitational is downward, but if you gravitationally we are consider, now work done by gravity is minus mgh, but here mass, what happened, the half of the part, mass m by 2 part of the mass only, half of, means the work done by gravity Wg equal to minus m means m by 2 g, h means the total lifting of the half of the height means L by 2, means work done by gravity equal to minus mgl by 4. These of the work done by gravity, if you any suspected of chain is lifting of the suspected point, the total work done by gravity is equal to minus mgl by 4. Now if you any one of the smooth inclined plane having, one smooth inclined plane having, one body is falling on the downside, that time how much work done on the system. Now one body is falling downside, here downward mg, inclined angle is theta, mg cos theta, exactly perpendicular of component mg sin theta. Now here body also moving of the downside, but force on this particle also is downside, both are the same having same direction, is parallel, angle is the theta equal to 0 degree. The work done by system W is equal to mg sin theta is upward, but this inclined of the length L means mg sin theta into L, means the total work done equal to mgl sin theta. This is the, if you any one of the smooth inclined plane having the body of mass m having inclined falling downside, that time the work done is equal to mgl sin theta. If you suppose, now smooth inclined plane finished, if you rough inclined plane having theta, one body is falling downside, here downward is the mg, component of the angle theta, mg cos theta, mg sin theta. If you rough inclined plane, the body is falling downside, means in exactly opposite direction is fk. frictional force is released. That kinematic friction, exactly upward is the normal. Now, body is moving downside, the net work done. Net work done is equal W equal to, now body is moving downside, but mg sin theta is also downside, but first net force we can find out. Net force is the mg sin theta is more or kinetic friction more is means mg sin theta is more, because here only downward is acceleration having, means mg sin theta minus fk into distance, means this inclined plane of the distance is L. Now W equal to mg sin theta minus fk means mu k n or mu s n into L. Here normal is equal to the mg cos theta. Normal equal to mg cos theta is substitution here. W is equal to mg sin theta minus mu s mg cos theta into L. Now here mg, here also mg is common outside. W is equal to mg L is common outside, sin theta minus mu s cos theta. If you any body if any body rough inclined plane downside is coming, the work done is equal to mgl into sin theta minus mu s cos theta. If you now rough inclined plane, if you any external force is applied on the rough inclined plane, here inclined angle theta having, now one body is falling down, means exactly downward is mg cos theta, here mg sin theta. If you any horizontal force is applied on the body, now horizontal force is applied. If your horizontal force is applied means here angle theta having, this theta is f cos theta, here exactly perpendicular is the f sin theta, exactly upward is the normal. If you any external force is applied on the inclined rough surface time, the total work done W is equal to, if you now this is falling downside or upside, now moving off the upside, if you moving upside means f cos theta is more, f cos theta minus mg sin theta into the incline of the length is L. This is the total work done on the system if you any external force is applied on the body. Now if you any one of the pulley is connected of the masses, two masses m1 and m2. Here m1 mass is greater than m2 mass. if you m1 mass is more compared to the m2 mass, first both masses are initial position having, means here some distances x is coming to downward of the m1, means same exactly x distance is moving also upward, but m1 of the gravitational force m1g downward m2g. Here first work done by first mass, work done by gravity W1 is equal, here force, gravitational force also is downward, the distance is moving also downside, means m1 gx. Second one, work done by gravity is equal to, here gravitational force is downside but body is moving upside, both are the anti-parallel. If your anti-parallel means negative of work done, minus m2gx. Now total work, W is equal to W1 plus W2. W1 is the m1gx, W2 minus m2gx, m1 minus m2 into gx, but x is the displacement. How much displacement have means we know equations of the motion. S is equal to ut plus of a t square we know, but initially the velocity is how much? 0, means s equal to 0 plus of a t square, s equal to of a t square. Now this is the distance, this distance is substitution of the x replaced mine. The total work done W equal to m1 minus m2 into g into of a t square. But we know acceleration, these bodies how much accelerations is moving, means here first mass is more, m1 mass is more, acceleration is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. This is the acceleration of the laws of motion we have studied. Now acceleration is substitution on the here, work done is equal to m1 minus m2 into g into of acceleration, means m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g t square. Now here m1 minus m2 into m1 minus m2 means the total work done is equal to m1 minus m2 whole square g into g square t square by 2 into m1 plus m2. This is the work done by the gravitation of the. Now work done is number of variations. Work done by variable forces. How to we can find out? Work done by variable forces means if you force or whatever, if you continuously variation, how much work done means, if you suppose x-axis and y-axis having, x-axis I will choose the displacement, y-axis I am choosing is the force. If you now initially have this some position time, here x1 distances, here x2 distances, but force is variable having. If you this type of the work done we can find out means work W is equal to integral of dw work is equal to, first if you total work done on this totally want means first we will choose some small work done. That small work done purpose small area we are choosing. This small area of the distance is dx. If you small area of the work done we can find out after integration applied means that is the total work done on this system. Means now dw is the small work done. Integral force into small distances is the dx. These are the work done by variable forces. But work done by variable force is the, if you any force and displacement graph area is explained of the work done. Work done is equal to, work is equal to F and X graph area. Fx graph area. This also is work done. If you suppose spring forces having one body mass is connected with a string, one end. Now I am applying of the external force on the body means here force is applied in pulling applied means immediately the frictional force, sorry, the spring force is forming on the backward. Fs spring force is minus kx. X is the displacement, k is the spring constant. Here why negative na? Spring force is always applied force of the opposite. Now initially is some spring is continuously vary. How to we can find out means generally work done is equal to integral of f dot dx. Here initially is at 0 position having, suppose finally reached at x position means 0 to x is up. Now spring force is the minus kx substitution. W is equal to integral 0 to f. F means minus kx into dx. Now k is the constant outside. W equal to minus k is common. Integral 0 to x into dx. X integration is x square by 2. Now limits applied 0 to 2. Sorry, 0 to x. Now x is upper limit substitution means the total work done equal to minus kx square by 2. This total of the work done is the spring. If you any force applied on the spring, total work done of spring is W is equal to minus kx square by 2. Now spring work done W is equal to minus of kx square. How to representation of the in graphically? Here f initially 0 at some distance here x equal to x means this work done is explanation of the spring of the work done. What is the mutual of the work done? Mutual work done means if you any body having the body applied of the different individual of forces is applied on the body, the total of the work done is called mutual of the work done or net work done. Now W is equal to applied different forces means in F dot ds plus F2 dot ds plus F3 dot ds plus F4 dot ds plus and so on. Here F1, F2, F3, F4 forces are the different forces means different of the work done having. W is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 plus and so on. The individual of the work done or sum is equal to the net work done. W is equal, if you variable of forces, integral F dot ds plus integral F1 F dot ds plus integral F dot ds plus integral F dot ds plus and so on. If you variable of forces also individually having, the total work done W is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 plus and so on. These are the mutual of work done, means the individual of the work done is sum is called a total work done. Thank you for watching this video.